The EURUSD price passed an uneventful week, moving above the 1.09 mark. Moreover, the Thanksgiving holiday and muted war-driven sentiment kept the currency pair within a limited range. From the weekly technical outlook of EURUSD, the price showed consecutive higher highs and higher lows with an upward momentum above the dynamic 20-week simple moving average. However, the 100 SMA shows a modest sell-side pressure below the shorter line, while the 200 SMA is flat at the 1.11 area. Meanwhile, other technical indicators showed limited bullish pressure, as the momentum indicator is at the 100 line. In the daily chart, the EURUSD price remains bullish above near-term moving averages. Therefore, a stable price with consolidation above the 1.09 level could open a long opportunity, targeting the 1.11 mark. On the other hand, a fresh bearish break below the 1.08 level could be a short opportunity, targeting the 1.07 support level.